3 reasons why you should probably consider wearing a huge nose ring or nose pin at least once in a while. Hello everyone, I'm Archana Shankar. I'm a designer, stylist and image consultant. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And once you subscribe, do not forget that bell icon so that you get all my further notifications on time. Let's plunge right in. So today I'm going to discuss about this huge nose pin or this nose ring, which people sometimes consider a little taboo. Okay, so why probably women who wear nose pins, or it could be with a natural piercing or otherwise, you just have it clip on. So women who are in love with nose pins, why probably you should consider wearing a huge one at least once in a while. Here we go. Reason number 1, focus on your face. So when you wear something as huge as this, it's not a tiny thing out there. When you wear something as big as this on your face, automatically by default the focus is bang on your face. So it is just like wearing a huge bindi or how about wearing a bright red lipstick. So people just cannot take their eyes off your face. So they wouldn't look anywhere but on your face. So you have the full focus on your face. So when you talk and when you communicate, people always give you that undiluted attention and focus on your face. And also this could be even better if you would keep your garment colors muted, your accessory colors sober and muted, then all the more focus, because this is a one focal point on your whole being. Number 2 is a powerful look. So I don't know why this is so, but there is this feeling about women who wear slightly bigger nose pins and nose ring. You associate them with being very confident, very courageous, very determined, somebody with a purpose. There is a very strong and powerful image that she gives out. So I am really not sure why this is so. Probably one reason could be as simple as that not all women are comfortable wearing a huge nose pin. You know that. So many of you always feel, this doesn't suit me, oh no, this is too big for my face, and this is like such a huge thing and I am looking a little odd, and all kinds of such feelings you get. So somebody who dares to wear a big nose pin and flaunts it, she automatically gives out this image of being courageous, and rightly so, because she took the courage to wear something which is probably not the usual thing that you generally see on faces, and she's just flaunting it with a lot of confidence and comfort. So it always gives out a very powerful look, whoever is wearing such a thing. And finally, the last one is an artistic look. Yes, you always think about it. You always have seen many dancers, painters, artists, or anybody, designers, or anybody who is associated with art and aesthetics. They many a time flaunt such a huge nose pin. So I don't know why again it is like that, because obviously dancers, you have there is that space where they always love to wear such nose pins. So by default, when you see somebody wearing a huge nose pin, you just automatically conclude that she's got something to do with art and aesthetics and design. So if you're somebody who probably is not connected with any of these and still want to just look artistic, just give out that attitude of being an arty person, the simplest hack for you to do is wear a huge nose pin. And finally, I would also like to give you a tip from my side. So to begin with, I am a person who always love to wear huge nose pins. So many people ask me, I have all kinds of nose pins, and even when I pierced for the first time, usually what women do is they always put a small nose pin, like a tiny just a stud or a stone, and then gravitate towards larger nose pins later in life. But for me, it was very different. From the moment I pierced, I picked up a huge nose pin. My first ever nose pin was big. Okay, and I have been very comfortable with that, and I love wearing huge nose pins, and I have a variety. I have such a huge collection of nose pins, and people always notice my nose pin and say, oh, you have a very odd, very unusual, very different sort of a nose pin, and they always ask me, where do you get these from? So what I would like to confess here is that all the nose pins that I wear, most of the nose pins that I wear are not nose pins at all. Yes, I need to confess that they are earrings. Because if you hunt for a nose pin, you don't have much of choice. Of course, you get, because of certain movies, sometimes there is a trend which is coming, but many a time that is just a clip-on. So people like me, I always prefer something to just put it in my natural piercing. So people who, because sometimes that clip-on thing tends to become loose if it's a heavy one. So I love to have something which goes into my piercing. So when you, with that intention, when you look around, you don't many a time get the kind of things that you would love to. Meaning the very interesting alternate nose pins that you would love to experiment with. So what I started doing was buy earrings. It could be artificial, it could be silver or any other metal. Just buy a pair of earrings and then just wear it as a nose pin. So one thing people would ask is, what about the stick? For example, if you wear sometimes buy the typical earrings, it has a stick at the back, right? And when you wear it, it probably tends to poke you inside. It tends to poke. For me, I have to say that it doesn't poke me, all right? But for many people, they complain, no, it goes and touches and hits. So I would like to say that I've also done this. What I do is I just chop the leg. Meaning I just, cut a little bit of that stick so that it doesn't hurt you. And then you just have to grind it on something rough so that, it has a smooth surface. And then you can just easily wear it. So this is one hack which I've been always following. And I would suggest to all the women out there who are using, who have a piercing and using nose pins and otherwise, to sometimes just go really experimental with your nose pins. I mean, don't stick to the same old tiny stud. It's nice, it's cute, I also wear that, but sometimes you want to just make a statement with your nose pin, and you definitely will. I can say that because many people, when they see me, first thing is, oh, that's a lovely nose pin. The instantaneous attention is something which I can guarantee. I believe that you like this video. If you liked it, please like and share. And those of you who have not subscribed, subscribe right away. And please touch on that bell icon so that you get all my notifications on time. So till I meet you again, I would like to say, as always, keep yourself busy. Keep yourself engaged. Experiment with your looks. Have fun. Probably you're not going out. It doesn't matter. When you gather at home with your friends, just experiment with stuff because it makes you feel good and it makes you have that new energy and excitement because nothing else seems to be changing. So then, just have fun with your looks and stay always busy. And I'll see you soon. Till then, signing off, Archana Shankar.